Every year, thousands of JHS graduates and SHS students across Ghana spend their long break waiting to start SHS, waiting for direction, waiting for something meaningful. But what if this break was more than just a pause? At the Pattern Project, we believe it can be a beginning, a spark. Our summer STEM program is designed to introduce your child to the skills shaping the future, from coding with Python for apps and robotics, to designing websites, to exploring AI and product design. No prior experience, just curiosity, guidance, and real-world exposure. Imagine your child learning how to build things, solve problems, and dream bigger than ever before. This program isn't just about computers. It's about confidence, creativity, and preparing for the world ahead. Enrollment is now open. Call us now or visit thepatternlabs.org to learn more. Don't let this long break go to waste. Let's give your child the summer that changes everything.